Hi guys, today I do video with electronics. This is not usual for me because I like to work with the ore, not with this electronics, but I want to just try. I got some cards which ones I never use it and not need it. I already broke some of them. I took all chips in this place and I cut those ones, but after a while when I started checking these boards, I see that there is a lot of holes. Which one is in the gold? So I decided try to recover that gold too. So I be crushing like this and putting in a hydrochloric acid to try to dissolve this all tin metal. What is you see in here? You see the tin everywhere, and but below the tin is gold too. So before I do all chemicals, I want to dissolve that tin. I already try. A little bit is gone already. So then I looks like working, but need a little bit more longer keep it in the hydrochloric acid. And then I try to crush it those one regular way, like crushing rocks. This is plastic, it breaks easy. I don't want to deal with the chemicals or fire, burning fire to get the gold out. I want to see how everything works. I put in my crushing stupor and I try to crush all those chips. And I cut it those little pieces from here, but I don't think so. It's not necessary. There is very little amount of gold, and I think those holes have the same amount of gold like one this pin. So you just break it like this, take a tin metal out, and put the regular aqua regia, dissolve everything, and then precipitate. So I be breaking one more for this one because I have a lot of those, and those ones a little bit more expensive, 8 gigs. So I putting them separately. Maybe I'd still be using somewhere later. So all those chips goes in here, and I be crushing, and we'll see what we have. So I putting all those chips in my crushing place and starting crushing regular way, just crushing. I don't know why they're going to make so complicated this process. Everything is crushed easy. And I decided to crush everything and pass to classifier. So we'll see what's happening. Okay, already crushed it a little bit. Oh, look how looks my crushed material. A lot of metal. So, but I want to pass everything 100 mesh classifier, and those bigger pieces we crush again. Look how much metal is there. Oh my gosh, it crushes so easy, guys. Don't be scared of crushing them. They're fragile like a glass, you know. You know what we got here? Very small material. And then we will see what we do next. Okay, let me crush more. So I didn't see any problem to crushing this material. Look how it's easy crushes, and all plastic goes away, all metal stays. So just crush it, guys. Don't use those chemicals, don't burn it, don't make pollution, don't get, how say it, get killed from this little metal. But metal is a lot of metal, so we will see what we can do with that metal. See, look what kind of stuff you're getting. A lot of metal, so that means a lot of pollution, and we don't want that. So use something to crush it. And all this one here, you see, all the dust is here. So let me continue crushing. I crush it how much I can. Now I got a lot of debris, 100 mesh, and now I 1/8 mesh. Want to see, separate a little bit more, and then see what's happening. And then we'll see what's left. That leftovers one time I crush again, and we'll see a lot of metal which one we don't need it. So we'll see, do we have gold in this metal, or everything is already past that heater classifier. Okay, so rest one I put in hydrochloric acid and boiling to dissolve all tin metal on all that lid and everything. And you know what, this is one of ways to get the tin chloride. Stannous chloride is here. If you don't believe me, look, I show you experiment. Okay, I take some solution with the gold. Okay, and look, I taking this one and we put on this gold solution. Look what we got. You see how easy? You just created tin chloride. This is a tin. It's in those parts. The all, how say it is, tin. They glued, welded with the tin. So you guys, if don't have tin solution, you can make it using those PCB boards over here. You get a tin chloride. All this we can use for precipitate our gold too. And those little chips and another ICs have tin too. So right now it looks like this reaction is over. So now I can take away that juice and we can crush it. So crushing going well, and I got a lot of copper. I checked with microscope, I didn't see any gold. All gold is here somehow. So guys, maybe I make discovery. So I checked this whole material for gold with a microscope. I didn't see nothing here. So that means all the gold would separate those went underneath, because they are very tiny ones, and all those tiny layers is here. Look how small. All the passage. So I check one more time. I don't need to maybe not even dissolve those things, because there's no gold here. All gold is over here. No, we'll see. Let me. So I finish with hydrochloric acid. Looks like all this welding material is gone and ready to crush it. If they contain some gold, we'll see what they can contain in the bottom, inside them. So let's crush it. Everything. And everything you need to do with the magnified glass, guys. Buy this kind of thing. Without this, you can't do gold. No way. So now, here my stannous chloride is almost finishing too. So very soon I filtrate some stannous chloride, and this black material on the sides, maybe it's a gold. So we will check it on the end when we finish all filtration of this, because when gold goes to those welding material, it sometimes is transfers to that material. When we dissolving, all falls like a black dust. So this is suspicious, can be gold. So little bit later we will see. Okay, now I need to crush those ones. Do the crushing. Oh, I lost one. Okay, so going here, there is a little bit more material, and we start working. Okay, so So you got the picture. I need 2 hands to work, okay?
Like I'm finished with this all material, and I try to separate all those metals by panning, and we'll see what's happening. Okay, maybe one more time crush it. Oh my gosh, how much metal, people. This is a lot of work. And look, this 100 mesh here is supposed to be all gold. See how small? We'll be panning and see what's left. Okay, so I finished with those chips. Look how 100 mesh material looks, just a powder. Okay, and now I'll be going to pan. This is 1/8 material. What left? A lot of metal, and some gold I see. Okay.
And big copper pieces. What's left on the end from all those chips what you saw. So this one I didn't see any gold with microscope. So, but we dissolve everything, and we will see what we get. Okay. Sun. See what kind of material? Copper. Some kind of white material. I need to go check with magnet too. So we'll see what we can get out of this with magnet.
Look what's happened when I put the magnet. Everything went to magnet. All those metals out. But they don't have any gold. So let's go on small one too. Let's see what we get from this with a magnet. All this material. Look. How easy. I don't need to dissolve almost nothing. Wow, that was nice. So let me separate from magnet. Look what's happening with this material. Look how much metal is here. Oh my gosh, everything went to my magnet. Oh my god, I never know got that much material in those chips. Okay, I got all. Now I remove all the metal from 1/8. I remove from 100 mesh material too. So right now I have that much material, 100 mesh. I decided to crush a little bit more. I already put the biggest material in here. So I'll be crushing a little bit more to get a little bit more release of the. Actually, it's okay to already to dissolve the gold, but I decided to crush a little bit more. Okay. I decided to check how much metal I got it. 19 grams. Oh my gosh, 19 grams. This is ridiculous. One more time. Oh, got stuck on the bottom. But 19 grams, can't believe it. You need to dissolve this all junk. People, crush it, those chips. They're so easy to crush. You don't need to dissolve that much material. Imagine how much dirt in that gold when you get it. Oh my gosh, look what another thing. Solution became pink. Stannous chloride showing gold. It means when you dissolving that tin from those chips, there is a gold. Like was suggested that this black stuff is a gold, and I was right because I see
purple color of the water. It contains gold. Ha! That is a hydrochloric acid, so means that gold was in the tin. And now oh my gosh, so many discoveries, one after another one. Like I say, doing this kind of thing, we got gold in solution, you see, purple color. And we got a stannous chloride, we can use this for gold recovery, look. See, stannous chloride, perfectly. Okay. Not even more now, be purple. It's okay. So guys, discoveries after discovery. So now I be starting make aqua regia. I have two materials which ones I be dissolving. This one, cuttings, and those holes, and we will see how much gold we recover from a bottle. Okay, we can start dissolving the gold and after participate. We'll see what's happening. And when the gardeners goes away, I do tanning and we'll see how much gold over there. So this kind of we start working. I putting hydrochloric acid, and I thinking I be putting potassium nitrate. Okay. Let's see. I'm taking half a spoon potassium nitrate. I think be enough for this all gold. This is very little amount gold, not even too much I'm putting here. And right now I'm putting hydrochloric acid, and we start process this heat on. Minimum amount. And this one just to cover. Hydrochloric acid. Okay, and we will see now when everything starts. I show you.